What's up, guys? So JT's putting new wheels on his cart today. He's still not here, but I'm not gonna show you guys the wheels yet, but here they are. I just brought them over here to the warehouse. Cool, so JT pulled up. Here's the Subi. Ooh. So we're gonna paint the wheels a different color. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. But this is JT's car right here. Swings. Straight T over there. I'm also installing my wheels on the Skyline because I bought some tires, but they were way too wide, and I just got these mounted on today. They look way better than what they looked the other time, so I'm doing that right now. Installing this front one right now. Putting these. We already sanded all these wheels down, and we already started painting them. See that? I got the first coat. That's how the wheels are looking now. Ooh, that looks crazy.
Totally worth it, bro.
Hell yeah. Brand new wheels. Already fucking messing with them and
Already
shit.
sanding them down when they fucking came in. Already painting.
Doing the last coat on the last two wheels now. We're gonna leave them here to dry overnight. That way tomorrow, when he throws them on the Subaru, they're nice and dry. We're almost done here though. But yay, we're almost done today. We're gonna let them sit overnight and see how they look tomorrow. But we're thinking they're gonna look sick. But we'll see. Guys, so now the next day we left the wheels over here drying for probably it's been about 24 hours. We're about to put them on the Subi and see how that looks. We're about to get started over here. JT it's already jacking up the car. It's looking real clean. Ooh. We're about to get started on the next one, and then we got the other two on the other side, and then we'll get some sick shots of this. So there you guys have that. I think it looks pretty clean. I don't know. Let's go see what JT thinks about it. What do you think, bro?
Good. Totally worth it. If you guys want your wheels painted, let me know.
Hell yeah, dude. We just finished doing that. It's been 3 days and it was worth it because it looks badass. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna be doing all kinds of stuff to the cars. I mean, I have my Subi, and then there's JT's, Skyline. There's parts coming in for everything. Like, it's a secret right now, but there's parts for everything right now, and it's gonna be badass. So just give us a like and subscribe, and we'll keep posting stuff.